Welcome, dear listener, to a journey unlike any other, a journey not across distant lands, but deep within your own heart. Today, we explore the path of truth and wisdom, a timeless story about honesty, patience, and compassion. Sit back, breathe deeply, and open your mind as we walk together toward the light that shines inside us all. In a peaceful village, cradled by mountains and rivers, lived a young seeker named Arjun. Like many of us, Arjun longed for something greater: truth, wisdom, and a life filled with meaning. One day, he approached the village sage, a man whose eyes held the calm of centuries. Arjun asked, Master, how do I find truth? How do I walk the path of wisdom? The sage's voice was gentle but firm. Truth is not a treasure hidden in distant lands. It is a light that shines within your own heart. Wisdom is not just knowledge, but the way you live your life with honesty, patience, and compassion. The sage gave Arjun three precious gifts, three values to carry on his journey. Honesty. Be truthful not only with others but with yourself. For when you face your own fears and flaws with courage, your heart becomes clear like a still lake. Patience. Understand that wisdom grows slowly. Like a tree that takes years to bear fruit, your soul needs time to blossom. Compassion. Walk gently in the world. When you open your heart to the pain and joy of others, you unlock a deeper understanding of life's mysteries. Arjun walked through forests of doubt and deep valleys of fear. He stumbled, he questioned, but he never gave up. Each challenge was a lesson, a step closer to the light within. One evening, as the sun painted the sky with gold and purple, Arjun sat by the river and realized truth is not a place to reach, but a way to live. Wisdom is found in every honest word, every patient breath, every act of kindness. The path of truth and wisdom is open to all who seek it. It asks only for sincerity, courage, and an open heart. So, dear listen, the greatest journey you will ever take is the journey within. If this story touched your soul, share it with others. Let us all walk together on the path of truth and wisdom. This version adds values explicitly: honesty, patience, compassion, and uses audio cues to create an immersive experience. The narration style is calm and reflective, perfect for an engaging YouTube audio story that inspires and soothes listeners, especially those interested in spiritual and moral themes. If you van D, I can help you format this for voiceover recording or suggest background music and sound effects. Thank you for joining this journey on the path of truth and wisdom. Remember, the greatest discoveries are not found in faraway places, but in the simple choices we make every day to be honest, patient, and kind. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe so together we can continue exploring stories that inspire and awaken the soul. Until N. EXT time, walk your path with courage and love.